Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring power and tools are ready. This reduces risks. Plug the phone to a PC with original cable and make sure battery is above 50%. Once done, enable USB debugging if possible. That gives you ADB access to send commands. If debugging isn't available, prepare official firmware and a stock recovery image on the PC. These steps matter because a stable connection and correct files let you avoid bricking and make recovery procedures deterministic. You now enter recovery either via button combo, power plus volume down, or by running a DB reboot recovery from the PC. Choose what works. Once in recovery, check for apply update from ADB or install from external storage. These let you sideload or flash a stock recovery image. Flashing replaces a corrupted recovery and restores proper boot behavior. Make sure file names match exactly and monitor the PC terminal for errors, because a failed flash requires reattempting with verified files. You finish by wiping the cache partition first. This clears temporary faults while preserving data. Then select Reboot System Now and watch the boot. A successful recovery flash should let Android start normally. If it still loops, do not panic. Perform a full stock ROM reflash using the official tool or contact Oppo service for authenticated repair. One key troubleshooting tip: if flashing fails repeatedly, try a different USB port and cable, and confirm drivers are correctly installed on the PC before repeating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.